Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, GATE, 3D Department Chemistry, Sahagan College, Sahagan. Today, we will perform PG Semester 1 practicals. है ना? That is PG Semester 1 Chemistry practical. That is estimation of nickel from dimethyl graphene. So, for this, what are the chemicals required for this experiment? And first of all, this is ammonium nickel sulfate solution. है ना? In this case, we have prepared 0.2 to 0.02 molar. है ना? This is the ammonium nickel sulfate solution. Now, another chemicals required for in this case is ammonium chloride. So, in this case, the 25 gram ammonium chloride is dissolved into 50 ml solution. So, this is the ammonium chloride solution. Now, second is the ammonia solution. This is the ammonia solution which is required for this experiment. And another thing is that this is DMB, that is dimethyl graxine, that is 2.5 gram is dissolved into 50 ml solution. So this is DMG which will be very helpful in this experiment. And this is the dimethyl graxine you see. And from this stock solution, from this is prepared and 2.5 gram is dissolved to 50 ml solution. And another thing we require is filter paper. Then what will be the procedure? But in this estimation of nickel is quantitatively precipitate as a crystalline red compound, nickel dimethyl graxine. When a faintly acidic solution of nickel salt is heated with an alcoholic solution of dimethyl graxine in presence of slight excess of ammonia, then NiSO4, NH4 whole 2 SO4 6 water plus this is the dimethyl graxine in presence of ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4 OH. This will give a complex compound nickel. This is the, and this will get ammonium sulfate NH4 whole 2 SO4 plus 8 water molecule. The nickel, this compound gives a red precipitate. The precipitate is washed with cold water, dried at 110 to 120 degrees centigrade, and then weighed as a nickel dimethyl graxine. From the weight of nickel dimethyl graxine, nickel can be estimated. So we have to perform this experiment. Percent ammonium chloride, that is ammonium chloride is equal to 25 gram weight, and it is dissolved to 50 ml. Now, then ammonium nickel sulfate, that is 0.02 molar concentration, so that is 394.8 gram per mole. That then the weight will be the 2.0 near about. And dimethyl graxine is 2.5 gram. It is dissolved into 50 ml of distilled water. Then after doing the, we have to perform the experiment. So first of all, we perform the experiment. Then we go to the calculation part. In this oven, we have just this is a rainy season, so we have kept the filter paper to remove any moisture in it. So this is also essential part. After it will be also useful in the course of reaction. The experimental procedure. At first of all, we will say the prepared solution is ammonium nickel sulfate. So for this, in this case, we have to take 25 ml of ammonium nickel sulfate. Just to see, this is the 25 ml, this is 10 ml. So we have to measure the 25 ml of nickel ammonium sulfate. So just to see, ये आपका 25 ml निकल अमोनियम सल्फेट हो गया. इसको हम लोगों ने क्या करेंगे, इसको बीकर में डाल दिए, डिकेट कर दिए. ओके, this is 25 ml nickel ammonium sulfate. Then again we have to add 10 ml of ammonium chloride. This is the ammonium chloride. Just you see, this is the ammonium chloride. So we have to add 10 ml of ammonium chloride. Just to see, this is a marker of 10 ml, 10. So just we put the 10 ml ammonium chloride. Just to see 10 ml. सॉल्ट लगेगा तो सॉल्ट डाल दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एक्यूरेसी ऑफ द अंडर शुड बी देयर. डाल दिया. दिस इज 10 ml. This is ammonium chloride. Just to all decant in a beaker, 10 ml ammonium chloride. Then again this solution should be heated. The mixture should be heated nearly about at 60 degrees centigrade. So this is the Bunsen burner. Just to keep it on it, and it will heat near about 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, we hope it will reach to 60 degrees centigrade. Just to wait for the 10 minutes. This is near about 3:55. है ना? We have to come to the near about 4:05. Okay, just to see 10 minutes have completed. Near about is 4:07. 10 minutes is not completed. Then इसको हम लोग ऑफ कर देते हैं. ऐसा कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ये ऑफ हो गया. तो ये हीट हो गया है. इसको पकड़ के उतार देते हैं. ठीक है, इसको उतार कर इसको यहाँ रख देते हैं. ठीक है, हिलाते हैं. उसके बाद इसमें अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी हैव टू ऐड अमोनिया. हाउ मच अमोनिया?
10 ml. 10 ml.
10 ml अमोनिया. ना 10 ml डाइमिथाइल ग्लाइकोल. वो है ना
Vasculitis.
अमोनिया 10 ml. So we are getting it. Okay? 10 ml ammonia. Then so it's ready. Then we have to add 10 ml DMT. Again we have to add 10 ml DMT. We have 10 ml. Okay?
Yes.
We have to put in this beaker. Okay? No. See the color. Just precipitation 50 minutes. After adding, after heating, we have added 10 ml ammonia, liquid ammonia. Then and to this we have added dimethyl glyoxine 10 ml. Okay. Then again it start precipitation. So again it is put on heating near about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Now it is 4:10. We will off it on 4:20. Okay. Performing the experiment, that is preparation of nickel, estimation of nickel from dimethyl glyoxine. This is Aishwarya Prakash. This is Abhishek Anand, and you are for Hansdar.
Ajay.
Hansdar. So we are clubbing together so that the experiment will be smoothly conducted. After doing the experiment, we will conduct the rest calculation part, which will be the better. Understand the practical. और उसके बाद इस जो हम लोग जो चढ़ाए हैं इसको उतार लेते हैं. और चूँकि गर्म है तो कपड़ा पकड़ कर उतारते हैं और इसे हिला देते हैं ताकि हमारा जो क्लियर क्रिस्टल है. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस बेसिक मीटर में हम लोगों ने जो इसको रखा है, खोलो, जो हम लोगों ने रखा है फिल्टर पेपर, उसको हम निकाल लेते हैं. इसलिए पेपर है ना, ये फिल्टर पेपर इसको निकालने की प्रोसेस मॉइस्चर फ्री है. ये फिल्टर पेपर कॉनिकल फ्लास्क फिल्टर पेपर इन दिस फनल माइनस वेट. उसके बाद धीरे से इसका जो पोर्शन है ये धीरे से ये करके इसको पूरा डिकेंट कर देंगे इस तरह करके. देखिए हमको जो रेड क्रिस्टल्स आ जाएगा बाद में, बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम नियर अबाउट 10 to 15 मिनट्स. थोड़ा सा इसको वॉश कर दिए, थोड़ा सा साइड में थोड़ा सा कर दीजिए ताकि जो भी है एक्चुअली कौन से करना चाहिए. बस we have to wait and again whole thing is decanted. और थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा सा decanted. इसको थोड़ा सा होने दे देते हैं. जो ऊपर का पार्ट होगा इसको हम फिर निकाल के सुखा के इसका वेट लेंगे तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कितना परसेंट इसमें है. ठीक है, इट विल टेक टाइम. ओके, इट शुड बी केप्ट इन ओवन फॉर ड्राई for 10 to 15 minutes. Open and just whatever Just we keep it up. It's totally hot. Okay. Just this is a nickel. है ना? We have to collect it and we have to wait. Okay. Just keep it here. यहाँ रख देते हैं और इसका जो पार्ट्स है इस पार्ट्स को वेट करके देख लेते हैं उसके बाद इसका कैलकुलेशन हम लोग करते हैं. It should be weight. Now it is 000. Now I'm putting this. See the value. The value is ठीक है. The value is 1.140. Okay. The value is 1.140. So now the calculation. Now whatever we have performed the experiment, now come to the calculation part. This is a very important part after completing the experiment. So that is estimation of nickel from dimethyl galactone. Weight of the filtered paper, that is called 0.770 gram. Sometimes some people take glass crucible. Okay. So in case we have used the filter paper. Filter paper. Weight of the filter per sample, that is 1.160 gram. Now difference, that is 1.160 minus 0.770 gram. That is the weight of nickel dimethyl galactone is equal to 0.39 gram. Now we use the gravimetric factor. That is the gravimetric factor is the atomic mass of nickel divided upon molecular mass of the nickel dimethyl galactone 2. That is, I am putting the value. Atomic mass of nickel 58.69 and molecular mass of nickel dimethyl galactone 2 is 288.91, which is equivalent to 0.203. That is percentage of nickel in nickel dimethyl galactone to 20.32%. Also, since 1 gram of nickel dimethyl galactone contains 0.20 gram of nickel, therefore 0.39 gram. Okay? That is 0.39 gram, this value. For 0.39 gram of nickel dimethyl galactone contains 0.203 into 0.39 gram of nickel, which is equivalent to 0.079 gram of nickel. So 2 gram of nickel diammonium sulfate contains 0.07 gram of nickel. Therefore 100 gram of nickel ammonium sulfate contains 0.079 into 100 upon 2 itna gram of nickel, which is equivalent to 3.9 gram of nickel, and that is the percentage of nickel is equal to 3.95%. This is the result what we have gathered from performing the experiment, that is estimation of nickel from nickel dimethyl galactone. Next day, new video. Hope this video will be very helpful for the UG, PG honors and general students. So by repeating the experiment gives the perfect data. So all students are directed to perform the experiment precisely, so for the better result. Thank you. Next day, new video. And always welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Hot Spot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar for fruitful videos in chemistry. So thank you.